Scanning QR codes to take upward bound attendance. You'll find QR codes in your classrooms, and what you're going to do is pull out your phone, open up the camera on your phone, and once you open the camera, you'll scan the QR code itself, and it should pop up asking you if you want to open the web address. Once you open the web address into the browser of your choice, you can type in your username and your password for MyCAEO. This is sent out in your welcome email from me, Ms. Wood. And if you need your information reset, you can find my email address down at the bottom of the screen. So you just email me and I'll reset it. And what it'll do is it'll log you in. Now, if you are not registered for the class, it's going to ask you if you want to enroll yourself. So just click Enroll Me. And what that'll do is it'll send me a message to put you in the class. And I will also put your attendance in. If you're already enrolled in the class, this is how the process should work. You scan the QR code and open it up, and you can go in and log yourself in. There is an option for you to save your username, and I would suggest you do that because it makes life so much easier. Okay, then when you're in, it'll ask you, okay, what do you want to do? And you want to mark yourself present, and you submit that, and then it'll show you that you are all enrolled and checked into the class for the day, and it should give you 2 out of 2 points.